A Spitfire is something that really rings true for me. It's someone who speaks from their truth, is super authentic, and inspires others just from showing up as they are. I'm LeMunyan, and I'm the founder of the Spitfire Coach. So the Spitfire Coach really aims to work with companies and individuals to help them be more efficient, more effective, have more motivation and productivity, and ultimately love what they do. A lot of times people get burnt out, they get tired of what they're doing, and so the Spitfire Coach really helps them to reconnect back to their purpose and why they do what they do. Whether you're in the audience or you're one-on-one with me, I know that people feel connected. I speak individually to people. I speak from true experiences of my own, but I also understand that everyone has their own struggles. Nobody is perfect. So the more that we can embrace our imperfections and lead with vulnerability and openness, we can all learn and grow from one another. There is one common theme with the clients that I work with. They are people who know that they deserve more, that they can achieve more, but they need a little help and a kick in the butt. What motivates me? It's really the light bulbs, the connections that my clients are able to make on their own. So when I give someone a tool or we go over an issue and they're able to resolve it, it's amazing to see how they're able to apply it in other aspects of their life.